Stop sending emails into the void and start knowing exactly when and how your prospects are engaging with your messages. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add email tracking to Follow Up Boss, so you can monitor opens, clicks, and engagement, giving you the insights you need to optimize your email marketing and nurture leads like a pro. First, log into your Follow Up Boss account. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for a free trial. Next, in the upper right corner, click your profile icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, on the left-hand sidebar, click on Integrations. This is where you'll find all the available tools you can connect to Follow Up Boss. Scroll down until you find your preferred email marketing service. In this example, we will use Mailchimp. Click the Connect button. You will now be redirected to the login screen for Mailchimp. Go ahead and log in, and then authorize the connection between Mailchimp and Follow Up Boss. Once authorized, you'll be redirected back to Follow Up Boss, where you should see a confirmation that the integration was successful. This indicates that your email tracking is now active. Now, when you send emails through Mailchimp to contacts in Follow Up Boss, you'll be able to see when they open your emails, click on links, and engage with your content, all directly within their Follow Up Boss profile. Start tracking those emails today and watch your lead nurturing become more effective than ever. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Follow Up Boss tips and tricks.